Good morning. It's the third day of holiday and we are in Baiyuchuan. Yesterday we were playing in Magic Park, Magic Waterpark for the second time, and it was the evening because we don't need to spend there a lot because we already did that once before in 2021, and until now we just drove, you can see, 763.5 kilometers. So not much for 3 days trip because we are not moving. We are just like staying in one city. We are in just next province now from Jilin province anyway. So from here we are planning to go to the another city, not the province, and then we're gonna go back to Jilin province again. Anyway, today we are trying to camp nearby beach, nearby sea, not the night one, day camp. So we are now going to search the camping place. So let's see if we are lucky or not. This place called Shanhai Square Scenic Area. It is located in the western coast of Yingkou, Liaoning, which is famous for tourism, vacation, leisure and entertainment, fitness and sports. Seawall observation deck, mermaid sculpture, square, long beach are the main attraction here. Pier deck looks unique, which look like seashell. On the top of the sail, there are various small performances are going on time to time, and it is designed like a bird nest and made of steel. Since you are here, you can enjoy various water games and chopper tour around this place, and of course, nice sun bath. This is our camping site for today. This one and that one is our camp, and they already come early in the morning. So far is okay, like this, and this is the beach, and this side is free camping site. They have many sides. You know, you have to pay money, and somewhere you cannot tent a big one like that. They already slept from yesterday, they said. This is all covered, and here you can see this one is fish, okay, because this is the bayou fish, because of that fish name, you know, come from this area name. And here in China, you will not find many people they are swimming, you know, because number one, they, like afraid of being dark. That's why if you can see there, the people, you see, they are in the water, but with a full clothes. Even they have big hat. Oh my God, like this. They will swim like that, and even they swim. So getting dark is their biggest concern. Your guy is enjoying the sea view now on the beach of Baiyuchuan, and now the place is getting hotter, and many people they already arrived. You can see the front line also. Many they came. Anyway, going great. Now soon we're gonna prepare a meal here and gonna have lunch here on the beach of Liaoning, China. Cheers. They brought the cooked food, you know.
哎，给你拿这个是拿的是这个辣吗？不辣都不辣的，还有辣的。你能不吃点海螺？海螺，都这个海螺不吃，蛮好吃。
This is what is going on. All the afternoon I was in bad water. Now it's like that. I'm waiting to get dry. Anyway, quite good day, because it was almost sunny day and water was clean. That's the point. Anyway, here before in the middle of the day, this water, all water went away until nearly that red line. But later, come back again. Anyway, enjoy it. So now we're gonna cook again here. Before we just brought the food and we're gonna warm those food as well and gonna cook few maybe noodles like this thing. We're gonna eat and go back to the room. This is the sunset view from Bayou Chan and going to eat, preparing noodles there behind the wall because windy, you cannot make here because we don't have wind cover. So I'm gonna say to you bye bye from this beach and we're gonna see you tomorrow. Until tomorrow, have a good time. Cheers.